This video guide is about removing the online scam that is related to the website Protectionsrequired.com. Protectionsrequired.com is a deceptive and malicious website. It tries to trick you into clicking on the Allow button to show even greater number of its advertisements. It also tries to make you think that your computer is infected with the great number of viruses and infections. It tries to make you think that your PC is infected, and it displays a lot of scary messages for that purpose. So it tells you to click on this proceed button, and if you do that, you may be redirected to some other deceptive websites that may promote a totally different software. So please be very careful. Don't ever click on the Allow button, and don't download or install anything that these scary pop-ups suggest. As I have said before, these alerts may be the trace of some adware possibly enabled in your computer. First thing you could do is to check the control panel carefully, and if you find any suspicious programs on the list, uninstall them. I also recommend you to do the following. Access the menu of your browser, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Go to Permissions and select Notifications. Now pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. When you find this site, Protectionsrequired.com, make sure you remove it from the list and remove other junk websites too. Finally, I recommend that you additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start carefully researching and investigating your computer with its help to detect and eliminate other threats fully from your system effectively. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.